So this video is about division, dividing a whole number with a decimal number. So to divide a whole number with a decimal number, we should know two concepts. One is multiplication, how to multiply a number. Why? Because 7, for example, if we have to divide 7 with 1.4, firstly, it can be written in three ways. It can be written as 7 divided by 1.4, or 7 by 1.4, or thirdly 7 divided by 1.4. Now it's very difficult to divide 1.4 के साथ 7 को divide करना is very tough. It will take some trick. We have to think of how many times can we take out 1.4 from 7 full chocolates. It will consume little time, so to just save our time, what we have done, we'll write it as this. We have to make the denominator a whole number. It will make our work easy. We'll need to multiply it with 10. Why? Because the number will shift over one digit and it will be 14. But it is very important, if we are multiplying the denominator with 10, we have to multiply the numerator also with 10. This will become 70. As we know, if we multiply with 10, the decimal point will jump over one number. This will be 14.0. 14.0 just means 1. So this is 70 divided with full, 14 full. Now we can divide 17 with 14. So 14, 28, 30, 42, 56 and 70. So 1 times 2 times 14, 3 times 14 is 42, 4 times 14 is 56, and 6 times 14 is 70. So this 5 times 14 is 70. So this will be 14 5s are 70. So if we'll divide 7 with 1.4, the answer will be 5. This is the required answer. So the main thing is, you know how to divide this, but the main thing is, if there is a decimal number in the numerator, you have to first make it into a whole number. So to make it a whole number, what will we do? We'll multiply it with the one digit, because here is only one digit after the decimal place. Similarly, we have to divide 8 with 0.016. It is much harder. We have to think of how many 0.0160, yani ki 16,000s we can take out from 8 full chocolates. So to just make it easy, what will we do? We have to make it a whole number. How many digits after a decimal number? 1, 2, 3. So 3 zeros are in 1000. We need to multiply it with 1000 to make it as a whole number. This will be, again, very important thing is that if we are multiplying it with 1000 with the denominator, we have to multiply 1000 in the numerator also. So this will be 8000 over 16. As the number shifts over, jumps over 3 digits, this will be 16.0. We can ignore 0 because 16.0 as decimal separates the whole from part. So 16 full and 0 part. So we can simply write it as over 16. This can further be divided. This will be written as 8000, and this is 16. 5s are 80. We copy 0, but 0 doesn't comes in 16 0. It's much smaller than 60. 6 zeros are 0. Again, there is a 0. This is again very small than 16. So this is 16 zeros are 0. So 16 times 500 is 8,000. So the required answer is this. Okay. So similarly, we have another part, that is 98 divided by 0.0004. Again, now that you have understood the pattern, we have to make the denominator as a whole number. So this is 98. How many digits after 4? 1, 2, after the decimal point? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be 0.0004. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yani ki we need to multiply this with 10,000. We'll multiply this also with 10,000. So this will be 98,000 divided with 1, 2, 3, 4. It will take a jump of 4 digits. And this will become 9,80,000 divided by 4. Now we can divide it easily. 9,80,000 divided by 4. 4 twos are 8. 18 over here. Now 4 fours are 16, 20. Yes, this is copied here, this is copied here. 4 fives are 20. Again, there are 3 more zeros. So instead of dividing, we can simply write 3 zeros, or you can divide it further. 4 zeros are, 4 zeros are, 4 zeros are. So this number is 2,45,000. So this is how we divide a whole number with a decimal number. Now, similarly, how to divide a decimal with a decimal number? If we have to divide 5.6 with 0.2, the same rule. We will make the denominator, ignore the whatever the numerator is. You have learned how to divide a decimal number with a whole number. So it's simple. If we have to divide a decimal number with a decimal number, it's a simple thing. We have to look at the denominator, the main point. We have to look at the we have to focus on denominator. It should be a whole number. It will make your work easy. Here the denominator, ignore the numerator, can be a whole number, can be a decimal number, but denominator should be a whole number. That will make your work easy. So for that, we'll multiply it with 10, as there is one digit after a decimal, and we'll multiply again this will 10. This is 56 on 2. Now you can easily divide. This is 56 divided by 2, and we can further divide it and find out the answer. If we have 4.0009 divided by 0.3, okay, again the same thing, we'll multiply it with 10. If there is 39, we'll multiply it with 100. Here also we'll multiply it with 100. So this will be 400, as this also shifts up to 2 decimal places, jumps over 2 2 digits, and this will be 400.09, and this will become 39, as it also jumps over 2 numbers, 2 digits after decimal, as we are multiplying. So we have to just look at how many numbers are after the digits, and we have to multiply it with that number. If we have to divide this with the number 0.00003, how many the thing is, we just have to look at how many digits after a decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to multiply this with a 5 numbered, and the numerator as well. So this number will become 4 lakh, and this number, as it is decimal over here, it will jump from over 5 digits and it will come over here. So this will become 3.0, or we can say 3. Now you can easily divide. So this is whole about the decimal division.